Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in Mailchimp. Segments are an incredibly useful feature that allows you to organize your audience into specific groups based on criteria like email addresses, location, or engagement levels, making your marketing campaigns far more targeted and effective. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Log In. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your Mailchimp username and password. After filling in your credentials, click Login to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll find several navigation options. Click on Audience and an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From this expanded menu, select Segments. This is where you'll manage all your audience segments and create new ones tailored to your specific needs. On the Segments page, you'll see an overview of any existing segments you've created. To start building a new segment, click the Create Segment button. This action will take you to the Segment Builder page, which is where the real customization happens. The Segment Builder offers a variety of filtering options that allow you to define exactly which subscribers you want to include. You can scroll through the available filters to find the criteria that best match your segmentation goals. For this example, we'll create a segment of all subscribers using a Gmail email extension. Under the search filter options, select email address, which you'll find listed under the contact details section. This filter focuses specifically on email-related criteria. Next, click on the conditional statement dropdown. You'll see several options like is not, starts with, and ends with. For our purposes, select is as we're looking for exact matches. Now, in the any or all field that appears, type in the mail extension you want to filter by. In this case, enter at gmail.com. Mailchimp will now automatically scan through your entire subscriber list and create a segment containing only those contacts whose email addresses include the Gmail extension. This targeted approach ensures your messaging reaches exactly the right audience. Once you've configured your segment and reviewed the criteria, click Use Segment to finalize and save it. You've now successfully created a custom segment in Mailchimp that you can use for targeted campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.